Good morning, students. I am Nabiullah Siddiqui, your computer teacher. So, up to the last video, I covered the concept of internet, who governs the internet, protocol, internet terminologies, domain name, IP address. Today, I shall be telling you about domain types, non-geographical and geographical one, and the DNS. So, after watching that video, you will be able to explain what are the different types of domain, geographical and non-geographical, and what is DNS. Okay, so let's start. Non-geographical domain. What is non-geographical domain? So domain names that are used in the website names, basically these are not bounded to the boundaries of geographical region. Basically these are worldwide, so commonly used worldwide. Non-geographical domain types are domain type. Description: domain type is .com. If it is a .com, then it stands for a company or commercial organization. For example, Microsoft.com. Edu. If it is a edu means educational institution, universities, schools, etc. For example, University of Pennsylvania. So it is upenn.edu. Similarly, gov for government organization, mil for military sites, .net for network resources, ISPs, and org for organizations, mainly non-profit, non-commercial organizations. So initially the success of the internet was not anticipated, and hence no provision was made to include domain to other countries. But with the global spread and success of the internet, the above domain naming convention need to extend to accommodate servers or the computers located outside the USA. Initially these or services started in USA for USA only, then after it increased. This was done by adding two letter abbreviation for every country in the worldwide as specified by the International Standard Organization as a suffix of qualifying the domain name. Some of the abbreviation used as country suffix are, what are the abbreviation used? So here the abbreviations are AU. If you are using AU, it stands for Australia, CA for Canada, FR for France, UK for United Kingdom, IN for India. So here we are having an example of a computer which is located in India. The example is Dell 2 VSNL.net.in. Here .in stands for geographical domain India, and .net stands for a network provider. Okay, so what is DNS? DNS means domain name service. So basically a computer recognizes the IP address, which is hard to remember for any individual. So the domain naming convention was introduced only for the user's convenience. Therefore it is obvious that the sum of the mechanism of translation between the domain name and IP address and vice versa, means from IP address to domain name, was required. If we are familiar with the words names, so the IP address must be converted into the name, and for computer the name must be converted into the IP addresses. So this telephone directory or phone book is phone book in the internet context is an electronic server. It is an electronic server, not the physical one, but the electronic server called the domain name service. Each host on the computer looks up for a DNS to find another host. A DNS is not a separate computer, but it is an electronic dictionary, which I already told, which is maintained on almost all the host computers. Each host on the internet refers to two such DNSs. One is the primary DNS and second is the secondary DNS. So these two DNSs are for the translation mechanism are required, from translating the domain name to IP address and IP address into the domain name, and this is introduced for only the user's convenience. So that's it. What today I told you about, DNA domain types, geographical one and non-geographical, and the DNS. I hope all the concept explained today you are getting well. If you are having any query or doubt, please ask. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.